I'm Claudia, living as a nomad in my mini-weeny, my RV, and spending a really harsh winter in Utah. Today I have to do a lot of important chores. We have no snow and no rain. It is quite cold, and tomorrow we have another winter storm. So come along with me and take a look into my real life as a solo female nomad. Let's vamonos.
I'm hollow, there's nothing to these bones but the fear of the unknown that
So I tried to
inside.
protect the Jeep with the cardboard and stock the wood as high as I can. We'll see how much that will cost. Let's see if the Jeep's gonna start at the first time. There you go, my beast. My awesome little beast. Oh, let's go slow, Claudia. Our first stop's gonna be Walmart. Okay. You know what I like about small towns is that everything is next to each other. Like I'm going to the bank after this, but it's in the same shopping center. So I'm gonna walk to it. I don't need to drive to it. This is why we're here for 20 bags. I think I saw them for 10 the other day, but oh well. Let's do this. Where are the shovels? Shovels! Where are you? I found the tarps. Let's see what I want is. I think I have an 8x10, but I think I want bigger. Yay, I think there are more in the outer department, so I'm gonna follow this gentleman to the holy grail of tarps. It's heavy. It says that it's tier weather and crack resistance. You know, I already forgot what else I came for. I wrote it down on a notepad on my desk. And okay, tarp. What else? From Walmart. Oh, this thing of getting on is not a joke. So I just remember the shovel. I came for the shovel. That was the main thing. I even showed it to you at the beginning. Now I'm looking for the shovel. Excuse me? Where are those winter shovels? Okay, thank you. Let's go get us a shovel. Plastic. I don't know. 18-inch combos. And this one, I don't know. I'm gonna go with this one. Made in the USA. It has less parts to break than the other one. It feels stronger than the other one. Okay, I got my 2 items I came for. Let's go pay now.
I'm lonely, but somehow I don't feel alone.
Now, let's walk to the bank.
I find what I'm looking for. Another heart just searching for more. Key to all of my closed doors. In one moment I will see the world is full of people just like me. Open up my eyes, I'm
Okay,
free.
off to the mill.
I was searching for something to change my mind.
What are you saying? I don't speak your language. Are you cold? No? Are you having a good time? Yes? That's awesome. I know, right? 100%. Don't pull me. Goodbye then. They're fighting for food. That is so awesome. That is fascinating. Who's gonna win? Go crow, go! I'm rooting for the crow. See ya, seagull. Here we are at the mill, and I tried to get as close to the wood as possible because I carry by hand. It's a lot of work. Talking about getting my money's worth, paid 20 bucks. But this is not all of the work. Now I have to unload it, chop, saw.
Show me what you got, no you can't resist. You know I'm ready for this, I just do what I do, I ain't got nothing.
I just finished unloading the Jeep. I want to clean it up next. But I want to show you how I organize my wood. I have a system, believe it or not. All the largest and widest and thickest pieces are in the back for me to chop. And then on the front and over here, I have the pieces that I need to saw. And by that meaning, these are skinny pieces and all I need to do is saw them in the middle. And that makes a perfect log for my wood stove. I plan to saw as much as I can today, but it's getting late and colder.
I can do this all day. I can do this all day. Back up, I'ma run this town. I'm headed for the top and you know it's going down. I can do this all day. I can do this all day. I'm taking over. Ain't nothing gonna stop me.
And you didn't see any eating today? Because I only eat once a day. I make it easy on myself. I think since I started doing this, I have better focus. I have a lot more energy. I'm not hungry at all. I take vitamins and supplements, and I also drink coffee and tea. Well, sometimes I make exceptions, you know, when I'm hanging out with my kids or whatever. Okay, what else you want to see, huh? Nothing else. They're not even watching, Claudia. When I was young, whenever we ate rice, my mother would put it in a cup, like I am doing now, and we used to love it because she would make little mountains, and it is stuck with me whenever I make rice. It is impossible for me not to do this as well. Traditions, little small traditions, things that we do as parents that leave an impression in our children, sometimes forever, like this for me. So this is what we would do. Oh, she would do, my mom. Leave it there for a little bit, and then after a minute or so, she will slowly lift the cup to reveal the rice mountain. Isn't that beautiful? It's perfect. By the way, my oldest daughter gave me this cup, and I proudly display it. Then, usually we had steak with rice, so then she will put the juice of the steak over the rice. I'm not eating steak today, but I'm gonna put a little bit of this dressing that I like, and it just makes it so yummy. And then, just because I want to, I like to add a little bit of this to most anything. I like this dressing. It's organic and it has salt, pepper, and garlic. Because I didn't put any salt in the rice. Then I'll add my broccoli. Then my chicken patty, and because it's dry and it doesn't have much of anything, I'm also gonna pour a little bit of it on it, just to give it a little moist with flavor. And that will be my dinner. Sit by the fire, enjoy my dinner. This is what my life typically is, my days. And when I'm not running errands, I'm sitting at the computer working on a video for you, or learning how to edit and dealing with life. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me today. And please come back for the next one. Ciao. Mwah.
What you gonna do? Woo! To the party, tell me can't be trained. To be fair, could you really blame us? So obvious why we famous. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Wanna rise up? Gonna get going. Take this day by storm. Gonna wake up in a new light. Next day, do some more. Damn, wake up in the morning and we're good to go. Gonna get some hustle till done. Next day, doing encore. Morning, morning, here we rise. Miles ahead, it's no surprise. They can tell us that we basic haters, always trying to chase this. Mirror, mirror on the wall, you can see we got it out. Oh, this shit is legendary. You and me, we necessary. They always try to hold us down, and silence is what you sound. Don't realize we can't be bound. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Ooh.